How to fix call problems on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix call problems such as audio call or video call problems on the WhatsApp app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, let's say that you have some kind of issues because whenever you're trying to place a call on WhatsApp, you're simply not being able to actually place a call. So that could be due to multiple reasons. But in most cases, it could be the problem with the permissions. So to fix that, open up settings. Once you launch the settings app, scroll down and then simply select apps. As you select apps, you have to scroll down to the very bottom again, and this time you want to go ahead and look for WhatsApp. So we will scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Now we will go to storage and we will tap on clear cache first of all. Now we will come back and then we will go to permissions. You can see this option which is contacts. First of all, tap on it and make sure it is set to allow. Come back, tap on microphone, make sure it is also set to allow. Come back to phone, make sure it is set to allow, and also you have to come back to the camera option and you have to allow all the permissions. Now once you do this, you can basically relaunch your WhatsApp app. Now you could go ahead and try to place a call and you will successfully be able to call that particular person. And this is how you can fix call problems on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.